Have you ever had sales data in multiple tables and wondered how to combine them in one table without copying and pasting? So this is exactly what Append Query helps us to do in Power BI. So in this video, I will show you how to combine multiple tables just like the one we have here. I have up to 4 tables here. Multiple tables into a single table using Append Query. So let's get started. And before I begin, let me just explain what Append Query means. So Append Query simply means stacking one table under beneath another table. So think of it like adding more rows to an existing table. So for example, if we have a January sales, let's assume this table 1 is January sales, table 2 is February sales, table 3 is March sales, and table 4 is April sales in different tables. So instead of keeping them separately, you can append them together to create one complete sales table. So now let's look at the table I have on my screen. So as you can see, I have multiple tables with similar structure. If you click on table 1, it's the same number of columns I have with I have 10 columns and 46 rows. If I click on table 2, I have 10 columns and 47 rows. So one thing you should note when appending queries is that all the tables must have the same structure, the same number of columns, the same number of columns. So since this table have the same structure and the Power BI can help us using Append Query. So what I'm going to do now, I'm already on my home page. You click on home page, then at the right side of your screen, you see Made Query, Append Query. Next, I will choose the table I want. If I click on this, it opens. Yes, and now let me start with table 1. Let me start with table 1. Okay, right. So what is the second table? Now, if you look at concatenate rows from 2 or more tables, here we have 4 tables. So instead of me to select these 2 tables, I'm going to select 3 or more. So once I select 3 or more, the table 1 is already selected. So I'll click on table 2 and add, table 3 and add, table 4 and add. I can even select all with Ctrl Shift key and move all at once. Alright, so now that I have selected all the tables that I want, I'll click on OK, and here I have my append 1. Now, if I click on if you look at the number of rows I have here, the columns remains 10, but all the columns that I have in 4 tables has added up to this, giving me 180 columns. So just like that, Power BI has stacked all the rows together in these 4 tables. So notice that the number of rows has increased and the number of column remained the same. The data from different tables has now been brought together into a single table, and this makes it easier for us to analyze and create our report. So we normally use this append table to combine monthly sales reports, data from different branches, weekly reports and yearly reports. Even multiple sheets in Excel can with the same structure can be combined. All right, so thank you for watching to this end, and I know you have learned and I know you want to practice it. Follow me for more tutorial on this. Bye. See you in my next video.